Oh, friends, so many of us have gotten used to takeout and delivery during the pandemic. And if you find yourself reaching for the phone to order a pizza a little too often than you'd like, hey, use your oven and make a flatbread. You can do it in about 7 minutes. Registered dietitian Cara Harbstreet with RDTV is joining us from her kitchen with some homemade spins on a classic recipe.
You're right, I am here to shake up your pizza night, but first, let's talk lunch. I've got a few options for some hassle-free and delicious options, and first up is our Caprese avocado sandwiches using avocados from Mexico. I love that avocados are the perfect substitute for some traditional spreads like mayonnaise. They're also a nutrient-dense food containing nearly 20 vitamins and minerals along with plant nutrients. And as a heart-healthy fruit, you can be sure that you're getting some good fats along with dietary fiber and folic acid. But going back to those pizzas, if you no longer want to be on a first-name basis with your pizza delivery guy, you'll want to try these shredded chicken avocado pizzas. I love that all of these ingredients can easily be found at your local supermarket, starting with a pre-made pizza crust. We heat our oven to 425 degrees, and from there, I use a combination of a pre-made pizza sauce along with hot sauce for a little bit of a kick. From there, on goes our shredded cheese and rotisserie chicken. We bake for 7 minutes, and then as soon as it comes out, you're ready to top with your diced or sliced avocados. In my experience, that's the best way to keep that browning from happening so that you can keep all of that gorgeous color to fill up your plate. But speaking of those quick trips to your local supermarket, next time you're there, pick up a canister of Quaker Oats. This is one of my favorite things to keep on hand during the summertime because, to be honest, I don't want to spend a lot of time over the stove or keeping things baking in the oven. I've got a couple of versions of some dressed up oatmeal bowls. First up is this balsamic raspberry bowl, chia jam for the topper. This could not be easier to make, and it lets you take advantage of all of that beautiful produce that we're seeing in stores right now. Just combine some raspberries with some chia seeds, mash them together in a small bowl like this one, and then you can use that to top your cooked oats or mix them right in. For a dinner option, I've also got a savory oats and garlic greens option. This comes together in just a matter of minutes. This is one of my favorite ways to share the goodness and versatility of 100% oats. And in a half-cup serving, you're going to be getting a good source of dietary fiber along with some essential vitamins and minerals. A half-cup serving of oats is also inherently low in fat and sodium, and it's a nutritious blank canvas for all of your recipe ideas. There are so many things that you can do with them this summer, which is why pantry staples to keep on hand.